Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome if you're new. I have Gabrielle and Gracelyn with me today, and we're going to be heading into our local CVS to be restocking. Well, we're restocking a bunch of things for our house. So if you guys didn't know, we just got back from Hawaii. It was so fun.
It was amazing.
Amazing. We were living there for just a little less than 4 months, so it was quite a while. And we were, if you guys are not up to date, basically we were testing out living there to see if it's somewhere that we'd like to live long term. There's other videos that we have either put up or that are going up soon where we talk a little bit more about that. So if you're interested, go check that out. But basically, before we left Hawaii, we packed up all of our stuff, and anything that was like, you know, food, liquids, like you don't want to take on an airplane, we gave it all to the neighbors and friends.
Yeah.
So when we got back, our refrigerator's empty, our pantry's empty, we have no shampoo, you know, like we're out of everything, like beauty stuff, a bunch of the makeup products that all of us had that we didn't take.
Just like not used.
Open, so like they're like expired. So we are going shopping today to restock all of it. So we're gonna be getting like makeup and hair care stuff and skin care stuff and just everything that we can think of. So it's gonna be a pretty big trip. So we thought it would be fun to vlog it because it's been a while since we've done a mother-daughter. Yeah. These are so fun. We love doing the mother-daughter videos. I know. So we're gonna do that right now, and we thought it would be awesome to take you guys with us. So we're gonna head in here in just a minute. So you guys know that we love CVS and we shop there all the time. We get our prescriptions filled there, we get vaccines there, all that stuff. So I'm actually really excited because CVS is sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much to CVS for working with us again this year. They wanted us to tell you guys all about their Carepass membership program. We have been in the program for, gosh, like over a year now. We love it. We use its benefits all the time. And so I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the benefits right now. The Carepass membership program is really awesome. It is only $5 a month or $48 if you sign up for the whole year, and you actually get your first month for free. I'm going to leave a link at the very top of the description box of this video so you guys can go down there and check it out for more information. With the Carepass membership program, you actually get 20% off all of CVS Health and Live Better items, plus free 1 to 2 day shipping on eligible items. You also get free same-day prescription delivery and 24/7 access to the pharmacist helpline. So in addition to all of those awesome benefits, you also get a free $10 promo reward every month. So basically, the membership pays for itself. You can use it in store or online too, which makes it really easy to redeem. So one of the ways that I actually use my Carepass membership all the time is I take advantage of their free same-day prescription delivery service. As you guys know, like with 6 kids, things get like really crazy. So especially if somebody's not feeling well or something and I need to get a prescription really quickly, it's really nice that they'll just deliver it to my house and I don't have to pack everybody up and head to the store. So huge thanks to CVS for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to get more information or sign up for a Carepass membership of your own, don't forget that you can get your first month for free. The link will be at the very top of the description box below for you guys to go check it out. Just got inside and they actually have a little thing here about Carepass, saying that you can get your first month free, so that's such a good deal. All right guys, where should we start? All right, so what skincare are you guys using lately?
We've been using Gentle Skin Cleanser from Cetaphil.
Okay.
It's gentle.
Perfect, 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 perfect. Do you guys need any moisturizer or just a face wash?
I know we have this one in the shower, but
Oh no, she just grabbed the face wash.
Yeah.
Oh, you need the
That
moisturizer?
is the moisturizer.
Yeah, you guys, she just grabbed that one.
Oh.
But if you guys need like a lotion or something, let's grab that too. Gabrielle found it. We were looking, it was like in a different section. Like I don't understand.
this is the one we're using.
So we're gonna get that one. So Gabrielle actually found another face wash. She also wants to get, so you guys are just gonna what, like trade off?
Yeah.
Or whatever one you feel like?
The orange, like the morning version of this one.
So I remember Clean and Clear sent us a package a while back and we got to try it out, and so I think that's how you guys
Liked it.
got to be aware of it.
Awesome.
But it's pretty good. So you want to get that one too?
Yeah.
All right, so the girls are walking up and down the makeup aisles right here in the front of the store. They've got a ton of stuff.
So much stuff.
You mentioned eyeshadow. What are you thinking?
I'm trying to find the best brand for eyeshadow palettes.
Do you want to ask the people?
What
Tell them to say in the comments.
what eyeshadow palettes
Do they like?
From
like the drugstore?
Yeah.
I've tried Maybelline. I like Maybelline. There's also like, what's over here? There's L'Oreal, there's Revlon. There's like a bunch of choices, so we can take a look at all of them and just kind of compare. I remember when I was their age, when I would go shopping with my mom at the drugstore, we would always get like Wet n Wild, which I think is a brand. They still sell that, right? Wet n Wild?
Wet n Wild, yeah. I have like their powder at home.
Yeah. Wet n Wild's good. CoverGirl, Almay. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, Almay. Oh, I need to check my lipsticks. I need lipstick.
I was gonna say, I was looking at this eyeshadow palette. I love the color.
Oh, that's
purple on
pretty.
this one. It's,
Which
like,
brand is that, Maybelline?
This is Maybelline New York.
Okay, so that could be a good one. You should show that one to Graceland too. She might
Yeah.
like that because she said she was looking. Oh, she
even know
disappeared. She disappeared. She disappeared.
She's on the other eye.
I've seen this mascara on TikTok a lot and this, and they say they are very good.
Oh, so we should get those to
Yes.
try them. What is this one?
I kind of want to
It's
try
a
that.
marshmallow primer from that brand, and it's supposed to be like a good primer slash moisturizer.
Does it smell like
it?
marshmallows? You can only get it if it smells like marshmallows.
I think it's
Can you
also
sniff it?
I think
No,
it smells
no.
like marshmallows.
We'll have to take a gamble. What's the other thing? Show me the other
It's
thing.
this mascara.
Oh, telescopic. I've heard about this
Yes,
one too. I've been meaning to try
I've heard
this.
It's so good.
Although I can't even try it because I just got my eyelashes put back on.
So I will test it for
I know.
you.
I
We'll
think
have to
you'll
try
have to
it out.
test it. So as you guys can see, I have lash extensions right now, which I just had put on like right when we got back from Hawaii. And I actually kind of love it because it saves me so much time, like getting ready. Gabrielle's smiling at me. Gabrielle wants to go get her lashes done at some
Eventually,
point.
yeah.
Eventually. She got the same eyelashes as me. They're like kind of straight.
Yeah.
Which is why when you do wear mascara, it's really
Oh, it
important to get
helps
the
a lot.
curly, the one that keeps it curled. Like
Yeah.
I really am like weird with the brushes. Like I always look at, like I don't like that shape. Where's the one I like? I kind of like the curve. Like those are pretty good for not
I
curved.
really like Great Lash.
Oh, this brush looks kind of good. That one, I like that kind, but I also like the ones that are curved because I feel like it helps like curl your eyelashes better.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? I don't know. Have you noticed a difference, Gabby?
Sort of.
Oh,
I
like
think
this one.
it's like-
Like this
Oh,
one. See how it's like
yeah.
kind of curved a little bit?
Yeah.
Have you tried this brand? Have you tried CoverGirl before, right?
We have been to CoverGirl mascara at home. I don't think I've tried this particular version.
Are you gonna get one today, or are you're good and
I have
Graceland
to
was
go
this
through
out?
like 2 mascaras at home already.
Okay, so you've got some.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny because like some of the girls were completely out of some things and other girls had some stuff that wasn't open yet, so they're good. Graceland was the one that like, she opens all of her stuff as soon as she gets it.
I tell her not to.
So like all of her stuff from Christmas is like, or
And she'll just open it all.
it's all dried out. You're like, you have to use it the next couple months. What are you doing? You can't use 6 mascaras.
Exactly.
I actually use this Revlon Color Stay powder, the pressed powder all the time. So I'm out. I'm gonna get one of these for me. And Gabrielle said she needs some
I
powder.
just got looking up close to my
Oh,
face, so-
super up close,
I didn't think
super
you were
up
gonna
close.
turn around.
But what this brand? Okay, so this one has a lot
I love
of different
the
colors.
concealer from L'Oreal, so I'm thinking if they're powder like the
Oh
Infallible,
yeah,
this
this
like
was
line.
also something that was really, really.
I think
wow.
this might be my shade.
She Graceland's like doesn't want to try. She's trying not to say the word
this
TikTok
good?
again,
Yes.
but all she does is watch beauty TikToks all day. So she's like, I see this on TikTok. I see that on
So I'm
TikTok.
like,
This
this
is
is
too
really,
fast.
really low.
This is really good. This is also one I watch on things on the internet about.
Yes.
Who are your favorite beauty TikTokers? Do you know?
I
Do you
just
follow
think that
specific
the-
people?
I don't follow any specific people.
Do
I
you
just
follow that
watch.
Michaela girl that does like the
I've seen
crazy
her.
makeup? She's really good.
really
good.
She's like really good at makeup. I could never do makeup that good. All right, Gabrielle's gonna hold this up to her skin. Here, go and turn this way so we can kind of see it better.
Wait,
I
like this?
think this. No, towards me.
I don't know what you want.
I think that's your color. I think of all these ones, I think that's the closest one.
I will say it's really hard to find powder because I have kind of like yellow. I mean like yellow undertones. So
Well, that
fine
it
with
says.
my
I think
skin.
that's what it says. It has that.
yeah.
See, you did
Yeah.
it, Gabrielle. I've got more neutral, so like I think this looks. It almost looks gray compared to that
You're
one.
so much paler than me. I think since Hawaii, I've gotten like so much more sun. Like I'm
You guys are all
so
tan. I'm still white. Really, really pale. I don't know what
One
happened.
last thing I need is concealer.
You need concealer. Oh wait, didn't you just get an eyeshadow though?
Yeah, but I need concealer.
But show me the eyeshadow.
yeah.
I didn't see it yet.
So I was looking for. I really like brown eyeshadow because
Like more nude?
I like that a lot, and then I like little light sparkle.
Oh, L'Oreal.
So
okay.
that's why.
That is a good palette actually.
And
Good
it
find.
shows you different like ways that you could do it.
Okay, so I have to say, remember we were just talking about like YouTubers and TikTokers and stuff that do makeup.
Yes.
So when I was your age, we did not have like
use
people to
this,
show
right?
it. Yeah, we had to. So it's so
Yeah.
funny because, and if you guys are, 30 or above, you probably remember this too, but buying makeup for us, like we didn't have like tutorials like of people doing it. Obviously like YouTube didn't exist. So you just like had to follow the directions on the back. They all had like little pictures like that. Or like I remember, I think Tarte used to come with like little cards where you would like pull it out and it would like show the makeup looks. Do you remember I used to have those?
They still have
With the
the
cards that like pull
Yeah.
out?
I have a Toothpaste palette where it's like the contour thing, and then you
Yeah.
put a little slit, and it has a card.
But
like,
now you guys, your makeup looks so much better than ours ever did because you guys like know how to actually use it.
I live off of
We're
watching
like,
YouTube
we never
tutorials.
did. Like we were just kind of like, I think this is how this works. So it was kind of more trial and
You know what
error.
I just remembered? We
What?
need an eyelash curler. Mine broken, like the little rubber
Oh,
thing. I
okay.
literally almost cut off my eyelashes, guys. I heard like the click, and I was like, oh my god.
Oh, like it cut. Oh yeah.
Like the rubber thing had cut.
That
through,
only
and it was
happens
broken.
to you once, and then you freak out. Eyelash curlers.
What's the best concealer brand?
I don't know. Are you asking the people again?
The peoples and everyone here.
I don't know. We'll look. We'll find one. But yeah, if they have
like
recommendations, you
Infallible
guys
by
leave your
L'Oreal.
recommendations in the comments. She wants some tips. So I need lipstick. You need an eyelash curler, and she wants a concealer. So that's what we're looking for right now. We moved on from makeup for a minute. I'm sure we'll probably circle back because there's a few other
We
things
got
they
these
want.
in Hawaii. This in Hawaii. It was very, very good.
It was like
I
the
love
first
this.
time we got method
This
stuff, and
does
we're
smell
obsessed.
really good, this body wash. I'd never tried it before. Graceland picked it out, and she came back. You guys went shopping with your
loved it.
dad, and they came back, and I was like, that does smell
I
good.
matched the
So
whole shower in Hawaii. It was all green, and
She
I
was-
got this
It was
green
amazing.
one. But then we got this one before.
well, we had
left.
all pink, and then we ran out and bought new products to go all green. It was pretty funny. So we're gonna get the pink one because that is like the preferred smell that everybody had. And then I saw that they have a vino. And maybe you guys can help me out with this because we've been dealing with, you guys can probably tell if you see Jagger in the vlogs or on Instagram, but he has terrible eczema right now. Gwyneth used to have terrible eczema too. And so we've been trying like so much stuff. He has a dermatologist, not a derm, well, he's gonna go to derm probably,
Yeah.
but he has a pediatrician appointment coming up next week where we're going to talk to the doctor about it some more. But somebody was recommending to me trying some of the Aveeno like oatmeal bath stuff. So I saw that they have some of the stuff here. I know they also have a baby section, so maybe there's like a specific baby one to try. But if you guys have any tips for babies with eczema, let me know because poor little guy.
He really needs some help. His
Poor
hands
little
and it's
guy.
just-
It's on his hand, it's on his chest.
It's tougher.
Toothpaste style time. We are almost out of toothpaste. We've all been sharing one
squeezed the
tube
last
since
out of
we
the tube this
did you
morning.
today?
Yeah.
We've all been sharing the same tube since we got back.
like
so
this one.
so you guys like that one too? I love that one. Actually, it's the advanced white one that I like. You guys like the
Yes,
peroxide
this
one?
one. It's this one.
That one. Let's get that one. And then is there one that the little kids like? Should we get one for them or what do you guys
and
think?
Gretchen like the bubblegum one.
But-
I think it's gross, but they seem.
I don't
Okay.
think we can have that here.
Well,
I
no,
don't-
they probably do. We can take a look. So let's see if we can
comes in,
find
like,
some
a
for them
little
too. The little kid,
Yeah.
like crust or something.
Yeah. So I've seen like a couple TikToks, and I know you guys have too about like this.
You're on oral care TikTok?
Go-
She's like watching makeup
What?
videos,
What TikTok
and
are you
Grace is
on?
watching about like denture glue
This one
and
is supposed to keep your
mouthwash.
breath fresh for like literally 7 hours. Like it's supposed to be proven.
Does it taste good?
Why did you say 7 hours? This is 24
No,
hours.
it's
24,
Who should I
Gabrielle.
agree with?
I've watched a lot of reviews, and it doesn't last 24 hours.
Like more than one.
Yes, I've watched.
What TikTok? What's on her for you page?
I definitely want to try that.
All right, let's try that one. These girls are wanting everything. We are. I should have left you at home and just come by
We're
myself.
on the topic of TikTok.
Yeah, I think you're talking about like I saw this
Look
recommended.
at how cute these are, and they match the body wash.
You guys really are a sucker for packaging, aren't you?
It is. I mean,
Well, I'm gonna get this for little sisters because this Pure Clean Garnier
That one's
one, they
fun.
really like it. The little kids
and
do.
then
But
this one.
you guys
Which
want
set, Mom?
This is
volume,
a-
or is there one for not?
I actually really wanted to try the Monday stuff, and I think
I have thin hair, so I think volume might actually be good.
For you?
Yeah.
Maybe. Did
I
you
like
smell it?
volume.
Does it smell good?
What does it smell? If it smells bad, then I want the Maui because
I
Maui
can't smell it, but
It's
I think they
coconut
both.
hibiscus.
We'll have to. You guys can try a new one, but I'm gonna get this one, like I said, for the little girls,
Okay.
because this is like the go-to that we always get. I actually, well, a lot of times if I can find it in like this bigger container, I'll buy it. But they only have the, you guys see there's like only the little ones here, but highly recommend this if you guys are looking for a good drugstore shampoo. All right, I also am out of vitamins, so we're gonna do that, but I wanna look down here because I wanna get the CVS Health brand because I do get that 20% off with my Carepass membership, which is such a good deal. Oh my gosh, and they're buy one, get one free. I do like gummies. Should I try the gummies?
I guess if the fruit flavor.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, what flavor would else would they be?
I mean, there's bubble
You
gum
and Gabrielle
sometimes,
should
that's
start
great.
taking some too. Oh, and Dad needs them. They have men's ones.
What's in it that makes it different?
Just the flavor. Oh, don't like difference between men's and men and women.
What are they giving the
The women's probably has like, I don't know, something else, more minerals or something in it, like
Yeah.
folate or something. Oh my gosh, 4th of July is coming. Look at this sweet hat. That's a 4th of July parade hat if I've ever seen one. So we just got out. It felt like forever. It was really only like an hour, but we did some major shopping. We restocked on
so, yeah.
basically everything.
Yes.
And I think now we're
now.
good. We're good. Like I feel pretty confident that we got everything that we came to get. And it was a lot of fun. You guys are fun shopping buddies. Thanks so much for coming along shopping with us. We had a lot of fun, and huge thanks to CVS again for sponsoring today's vlog. If you guys want to get more information about their Carepass membership program, make sure to check out that link at the very top of the description box below. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.